What if this changes in 30 days? You ever check your bank account and feel your chest tighten, bills stacking, dreams shrinking, time moving, but your money isn't? Now imagine this. 30 days from now, you refresh your phone, and the numbers move fast. Not gambling, not scams, not get rich quick, just strategy so powerful, it almost feels illegal. Stay with me. Because what you're about to learn isn't about working harder, it's about moving differently. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Money doesn't move slow, linear income does. Most people are trapped in what I call time prison. You work 1 hour, you get paid once. Your brain loves this model because it feels safe, but your brain is wired for survival, not wealth. I call it loss aversion. You fear losing $100 more than you desire gaining $1,000, so you hesitate, you overthink, you scroll instead of build. Meanwhile, the people making money fast in 2026, they ask a different question. Not what if I fail, but how can this work without me? That single question creates leverage, and leverage compresses time. And in a minute, I'll show you the 3 shifts that make income accelerate so fast it feels unfair. But first, you need to understand why speed feels illegal. When you trade time for money, growth is linear. When you build assets, growth becomes exponential. If you sell 1 hour for $50, you make $50. If you build something once and 500 people pay $50, that's $25,000. Same brain, different model. That gap, that's why it feels illegal. It's not, it's leverage. Now let's break the illusion.
Time turns slowly into money, but skill builds assets, enabling distribution for scaled income.
In 2026, AI isn't replacing you, it's multiplying you. Use AI tools too. Speed up freelance services. Build digital products faster, offer high-demand solution. Instead of selling hours, sell outcomes. Instead of 1 client, serve 50. One creator used AI-enhanced marketing services to go from $0 to $5,000 in a month. Not magic, but positioning. Ask yourself, what skill do I have that could serve 100 people instead of 1? Hold that thought, because it matters for shift 3. Consumers fund the economy, distributors capture it. In 2026, attention is currency. If you can, solve a specific problem, package the solution clearly. Put it in front of the right audience, money moves. Affiliate marketing, digital guides, niche products, faceless content channels. You don't need fame, you need distribution, and one well-positioned offer can outperform months of overtime. Imagine waking up to notifications from something you built once. That's not passive income, that's engineered income. Most people hope to make money. Strategic people position themselves where money is already flowing. They study growing industries, underserved niches, emerging tools. Then they insert value. Fast money isn't luck, it's alignment, when skill meets demand at the right moment. And in 2026, that window is wide open, but it won't stay that way forever. Close your eyes for a second. You're not refreshing your bank app in anxiety. You're checking dashboards. You're not waiting for payday. You're building systems. You're no longer just an employee. You're a value architect. And once you see money as leverage instead of labor, you can and see it because you won't chase income anymore. You'll design it. If you had to make $10,000 in 30 days, no borrowing, no gambling, no shortcuts, what strategy would you choose? Comment it below. I'm replying to the smartest blueprint. In 2026, money isn't slow, thinking is, and the moment you shift from worker to leverage creator, income doesn't just grow, it accelerates. So the real question is, will you still be trading time next year, or will this be the moment everything changed?